Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today, I'm gonna make roasted vegetable pizza. Yeah, making pizza again. Woohoo! This time it's gonna be a little bit different to what I made on my other video. And this time it's gonna be a little bit taller and softer. But what I'm going to do, I'm gonna top it up with roasted vegetables. I love roasted vegetables. Absolutely love them. More than anything, aubergines. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop faffing about and I'm gonna show you how we make this pizza. We need 250 grams of plain flour, 250 grams of strong white flour, bread flour. Then we add a couple of teaspoons of dry active yeast. 1 and 2 is about 7 to 8 grams of active yeast. Boom, done. We need a couple of teaspoons of sugar. This will activate our yeast. Then we need to make sure it's all mixed in good and proper. And then this time what we're going to do, we're going to put 400 ml of warm water in a bowl. We're going to add 50 ml of olive oil and let's get messy. Are you ready for this? Right. We start mixing the oil with water, mixing really well. I'm gonna get so messy. And little by little we add the flour. It's gonna be another sticky dough, but if it's too sticky, you can add a little bit more flour. Let's not forget to add salt. Usually it's about 10 grams. There we go. Told you it was going to get messy. Now we're going to cover it and this is going to prove for 2 hours or until it's doubled in size. Let's put it in a warm place. Ta-da! And as if nothing happened, let's get our vegetable ready. Here they are. What I'm going to do, I'm going to chop 2 onions. I know it's probably too much, but I don't care. I love it and I can do something else with it. And then I use 3 aubergines. It's just that they reduce to nothing once they roasted. So, and 3 peppers. Let's get chopping. I've got a large roasting tin. I'm gonna start putting the cubed vegetables in the roasting tin and I'm gonna crack on chopping. Oh, now the onions, they always make me cry. Oh, let's see how we get on. If not, my husband will have to come to the rescue. Oh, I can feel it, my nose is tingling. I am gonna cry. The last bit. It nearly got me, but I've done it. Yes, they're all chopped now. Let's clear this. Now that all our vegetables are chopped, a good glug of olive oil. You need quite a bit because most of all the aubergines, they absorb quite a bit of olive oil. And we add salt to taste, obviously. Give it a good stir. I know the big chunks, but they will reduce a lot. They will reduce to pretty much nothing. Here we go. So the dough is proving for a couple of hours and these now are ready to go in the oven. They're gonna go in the oven at about 150 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes until they're like nice and juicy and small and tender. And then once the dough is ready, I'm gonna cook the pizza. Looking forward to it. I'll see you in a bit. And there we go. The vegetables are now roasted. Look at that. Look at the smoke. Oh, so good. So good. They are really nice and just the way I wanted them. They've been cooling down for a little bit. And in the meantime, our dough is ready. So what we're going to do, we're going to put it in the tray. Let's get the dough sorted. We need a little bit of olive oil. Probably guessed it. I use this little brush to spread it all around. The dough goes in. Oh, look at that. It is very sticky. Whoa, look at this. Oh, nice. And we put a little bit more olive oil because then it's not sticking to my hands. And gently I press it down. Oh, this is so satisfying. So satisfying. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait. The roasted vegetables have made such a lovely smell in the kitchen. Oh, made me so hungry. Time to wash my hands. The dough is now ready in the tin. And we're going to leave it to prove for the further 10 minutes. Once that has proved, we put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Then we take it out and then we spread all the lovely vegetables on top of it. So let's wait a little bit longer. Let's leave it 10 minutes and then we come back to it. I'll see you in a minute. Right, here we go. We're ready to put it in the oven. I love it. I cannot wait. The temperature needs to be 200 degrees on a fan oven and 210 on a static oven. But mine is really powerful, so I'm going to be putting it in 190. Then I'm going to leave it in there for 20 minutes. Once it comes out, it's nearly time to eat it. So I'm going to put the vegetables on top. And also I have these cherry mozzarella. They're buffalo mozzarella. They're so lovely, creamy and juicy and amazing. You don't have to use it, but if you're like me, a cheese lover, that's going to be like a little treat. So let's put this in the oven for 20 minutes and then I'll see you for the topping. I cannot wait. I'm starving. Would you look at that? Oh my God. Steaming and sizzling. I don't know if you can hear it, but oh my God, I'm so looking forward to it. Love it. I cannot wait. I'm gonna try to get it out of the tray without burning myself. And here it goes. Oh, look at that. Look at this beauty. I'm so looking forward to this. So looking forward to this. The mozzarella is nice and melted and juicy, and all the vegetables are like nice and succulent and tender. And the pizza is nice and thick. And let's cut it. Not great at cutting, so please pardon me. Oh, look at this. Oh, check this out. Oh, look at this. Can you see it? Nice and thick pizza. Burning my fingers. I'm so looking forward to this. It's not the easiest pizza to handle, but Oh my God, if it's gonna be nice. Oh, look at these slices. Ah, look at all this mozzarella. And that is the juiciest mozzarella. Ah, that's so good. I cannot wait. This is very hot. Very, very hot at the moment. Oh, let's try it. Look at that. Steaming pizza. Oh my God. The mozzarella gives it that little sweetness, and with the saltiness from the roasted vegetables, and the pizza is not too salty. Oh my God, this is a winner. This is lovely. Ooh. I had loads of my friends when I made my previous pizza asking me, oh, where's the cheese? Now you got it. Now you got the cheese, and it's not just any cheese. It's buffalo mozzarella cheese, which is amazing, so creamy. Ah, it's beautiful, and it goes so well with the roasted vegetables and the pizza. It's just amazing. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Oh my God, that's so tasty. And if you have, why not give me a thumbs up? It really helps the channel to grow. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now. Take care. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm.